Releasing dopamine.
What's up guys, what's up? Coming in the building, like, comment and subscribe. Wagwan peeps, and right now we're there with another
Coronavirus!
Wagwan video. And before we kick it off peeps, do consider to like, share, comment and subscribe, because that really help your Jamaican YouTuber no itching right tonight. Make we kick off the video right now.
I don't know if my idea will work, but the COVID-19 is germs, right? Can you please, someone, contact the army, US Army or Spain Army or China Army or Russia or England Army or something. Let's all put this thing together and start up some of the biggest planes you have, modificate some tanks on it and filled it with bleach water and chlorine and disinfectant and everything, and spray the whole country. Just spray the whole country. Bruh.
Ready now guys for the next one. How would they? Wanna see that? Man have on a brazier dog over a mouth.
Bruh.
Alright peeps, next video. Remember the 3 female them apprehend in a Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth, and them there take picture and bag of things. You know say one video they about a circulate on the place. I go on like them film something pretty much before them. This is before them get locked up. So watch it. Make we watch it.
Online crime. Rubbish.
Enough girl we post up with. They can't have KFC.
I'm proud.
Proud of the team. We see him, I'm proud.
Let's start life ago.
So this next video now basically somebody must know the girl them will get locked up or something like that. Maybe a them friend or somebody does comment, you know, and give no wrong information. But we get a video by circulate, make we hear a response about it, or them friend or whosoever the person is.
Tell them when they catch us into your teeth, you see if I did me, then could take no blood clot picture with me with couple Lasco, couple Serbia, couple blood clot jug, and your mad dead off to show me at the Jeep. You see dirty blood clot don't pussy Miss Trinchy, I feed them people carrying the virus. So we supposed to walk in a blood clot supermarket, free Chinese store, and take up any blood clotting because of them coming with the virus. Miss Chin if you go suck your mind or girl.
What? So according to she, because them say China bring in the disease, it down here in a Jamaica, according to she has say they must walk, some supposed to can just walk, go in a store and just take up anything. What? Alright peeps, next video we're gonna move on to right now, and look like it have some writing down below. It said 23-year-old Christine Bacon, a Jamaican national, appeared in the District A Magistrates Court today charged with breaking the 8 p.m. to 6 a.m. curfew in Barbados. My girl, I walk on girl smile like she think it funny.
The government said you must stay in. People your age should stay
I
in.
don't know my age.
We're not telling the lady.
Me I ask you to know my age. You think I have two government make me stay and none young? And look it, I'm a government fool and I don't care fool and I don't carry it. When this deal with fellow, they never did talk about 11 now. And the Prime Minister don't want it to look back. That's about the government.
So my feedback on the whole thing. The girl them, whether they are posed up with the KFC. My friend, I really hope you learn a lesson. You know what I mean? After all of this, I'm really hope the best for you. And thing, the friend know where I comment on them video and a friend or whosoever said that. I don't want to send no wrong information out there. That's not good. You know what I mean? It's not your things. So you can't just walk going to somebody's store, even if you assume say them bring it here. You can't do that. That's not right, my friend. You know what I mean? That's not right at all. And then you see the last one will get me, Miss Christine Bacon, my friend. Boy, some people just make Jamaican people just look like some real tegeric. And then all always stay so. Why everywhere we go we just give yourself so much trouble? Foreign, Barbados, Jamaica, all around. We can't. Why we so unruly? And then my girl I smile like the thing funny. It ain't funny, my friend. It ain't funny. Like something you're proud for do. Anyway, leave your comments down below. Let me hear your thoughts on the whole matter. Alright? Journey with your boy. Ah, shoo!
Yeah, yeah.